everyone, this is outside my bedroom window. We've got very strong winds and it's making the trees go ballistic, and I think it's coming from the where does the sun go down? The east? The west. Coming from the west, maybe northwest countryside, and over that way with my over there, which you won't see, is the airport. But this is what I look outside my window. I like seeing the trees get blown in the wind. It looks really, really nice. And you're looking through my fly screen, so sorry if you see fly screen. So that is outside my bedroom window. Please like and comment, and I'll see you on the YouTube streets.